up, guys? Here's some keto listed items that I found at Walmart. First up, some salad toppers. If you are a salad lover like me, I found a bunch of different ice cream labeled keto, different varieties, a bunch of kind of flavors. Here's some cauliflower crust pizza. Don't know how healthy that is if you buy it. I think it's healthier if you just make it yourself. Here's some meatballs that you can have for different kind of meals. I buy this ready-made chicken all the time, especially for my keto mamas out there. If you're looking for a quick meal, you need to definitely get this. Power bowls, different kinds of varieties of that, but read the ingredients. Of course, you have your frozen veggies, broccoli, spinach, sprout, zucchini in a bag, ready to go. If you're looking for some breakfast, I found some keto waffles, different flavors, chocolate chip. Here's some egg white patties if you're looking for that quick. This sauce is what you see me use in some of my videos. It's so good. I vouch for it. No carbs, no sugar. You need to have this. If you are trying to bake and you need something sweet, they got cupcakes, brownies, frosting. Get your bake on. Here's some Keto Coconut Oil. I've even found some keto friendly bars with nuts and seeds, chocolate, peanut butter if you're looking for something on the go. I buy these skins. Spicy buffalo is my favorite. I tried a couple other different ones. The salt and vinegar ones, extremely salty. Don't get that one.